The all-new Honda ADV 350 it's coming to the Philippines. The ultimate adventure scooter. Meet the Honda ADV 350, a powerful blend of adventure and performance, built for riders who crave the thrill of exploration. Engine and performance close-up shots of the engine and speedometer. The ADV 350 is powered by a 330cc, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled SOHC engine, delivering 29.2 horsepower at 7,500 RPM and 31.5 Newton-meters of torque at 5,250 RPM. The SP Plus technology ensures maximum fuel efficiency and smooth performance on all terrains. Chassis and suspension shots of the scooter handling rough roads and city streets. Equipped with a steel underbone frame, the ADV 350 offers stability and durability. The 37mm USD Showa front forks and twin rear shocks with adjustable preload ensure a comfortable and controlled ride whether on city roads or rugged trails. Brakes and safety close-up of the front and rear brakes. ABS demonstration. Safety is key.